Hi, come on in. If you love everything crochet, then you are in the right place. And today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful blanket stitch. Really pretty, really effective, and so easy to make up. It is a one row repeat and yet looks so much more complicated. So everything you need to be able to produce this will be in the description box down below. And if you don't have everything to hand, just pop it on your watch list and you can come back when you do. So to begin with, we will make a foundation chain, and we make this in multiples of 3. And you can make it as long as you need to. I'm going to make it as 15 chain to start with. So I put my cross at the front there to make a loop. I put my hook through, pull it around, pull it back through, and that forms my slip stitch. Obviously, there's lots of ways of making this, but this is how I do mine. We will make the chain that you require, multiples of 3. So this is 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to continue to make my 15. You make yours as long as you want it, and I'll meet you back when you've done that. So I have made my small swatch of 15 chain, and as I say, multiples of 3. To start, we are going to put a UK treble crochet, US double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. Now we don't count the one on the hook, so that's 1, 2, and 3. So wool around, in through that chain, wool round and back through, wool round, pull through 2, pull round, pull through 2, and we'll put a second one into that same chain. So that is 2 in the same chain. Oops. So to proceed, we will miss out the next 2 chain stitch, 1, 2, and work into the 3rd one. Now this time we will be doing a UK double crochet, US single into this stitch, and pull through both, and then we will be putting in 2 UK trebles, 2 US doubles into the same stitch. Pull through 2 and pull through 2, and again into the same one. And this is what we will be doing the whole way across this particular foundation chain. We will be missing the 2 chain and working into the 3rd one with a 1 double crochet and 2 triple crochets if you're in the UK, and if you're in the US, sorry, it'll be 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets. Hook through, pull it back through, and pull through both, and then 2 treble crochets or double crochets US. And you will just repeat this the whole way. Skip 2 chain and work the same cluster into every 3rd chain until you come to your last stitch. I shall meet you back at the end. Now we're on our last stitch, and instead of making the same clusters we have done before, we're going to miss out the 2 chain the same and then put 1 UK double crochet, US single into the last. So put your hook through, pull round, 2 loops and pull through both. We will turn our work, do a 1 chain, and then here at the bottom of the chain stitch, right there in that first stitch, we will do 2 UK treble crochets, US doubles. So wool round, in through that stitch, wool round and pull back through, wool round, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and we'll do the second one into the same stitch, pull through 2 and pull through 2. We will miss out the next 2 stitches and work into the 3rd one, which is your UK double crochet, US single crochet from the row before, and we will do that cluster the same as we've been doing the whole way around. So that is a 1 double crochet UK, single crochet US, and then 2 treble crochets or double crochets US. And that is how we will work the whole way along again, missing out those 2, missing out the 2 next stitches and working into the third one with the same cluster. I'll put it all on the screen for you here as well so you can see it, and I'll meet you back when you come to your last stitch. So we've come to the end of our row. We have 1 stitch left to do. We're missing out those 2 stitches from the last round and working into the third one. And we are going to do 1 UK double crochet, US single, and then turn our work. And that is our 1 row repeat. I'll do it one more time for you. I will put it up here on the screen so you can follow it. And that's just how you work it the whole way along. So it is a single chain, 2 UK treble crochets, US double crochets in the first stitch at the base of your chain, missing out those 2 stitches and working into the third to do a UK double crochet, US single, and then in the same stitch we put 2 UK trebles, US doubles, and that is what we work the whole way across. And I will meet you at the end. And we are at the end of the row. Again, we are missing out those 2 stitches, working into the third with a UK double crochet, US single, and then we have finished our round. And that is just what you work the whole way up to make this beautiful but easy blanket stitch. Thank you for watching, keep me company, and I'll see you in the next one.